Jarvis, how's the weather?
Victor Harbour, Australia, 15 degrees, mainly clear.
Jarvis, can you count down 30 seconds till I need to brush my teeth?
Timer set for 30 seconds for till I need to brush my teeth.
Jarvis, how many meters are in 85 feet?
85 feet is about 25.91 meters.
Jarvis, who is Elon Musk?
Let me pull that together. Sir, it is time to brush your teeth. Elon Reed Musk leads Tesla, SpaceX, Twitter, and XAI while ranking as the world's wealthiest person in early 2026.
Jarvis, orange piano.
A search for a Tesla launch event to illustrate Musk's leadership. There you go. Explore mode. What are we diving into? On it.
Jarvis, search golden retrievers. Now this mode uses a little bit more API. The other one is
On it.
basically all on the Mac Mini. But it's pretty damn useful, if you ask me.
Goldens were deliberately bred in the Scottish Highlands in the 1860s by Lord Tweedmouth, who crossed a yellow retriever with the now extinct Tweed Water Spaniel. They're so people-pleasing they consistently rank among the top 3 smartest, most trainable breeds, yet that same popularity gave them heartbreakingly high cancer rates.
Jarvis, tell me about the company Nvidia.
On it.
So it's basically a 10x of the original Jarvis. It needs to be connected to the internet, whereas the other one fully functions offline. It just uses a local Wikipedia database. I did not
On
mean,
it.
damn it, I did not mean to let him hear me say that anyway. It's gonna fail that search, it's a bit too random. Yikes. Jarvis, who invented the operating system called Linux?
On it.
I'm just gonna show.
Linus Torvalds built Linux as a 21-year-old student in Finland in 1991. Just a hobby he said wouldn't be big and professional. Today it runs nearly every supercomputer, most of the internet, and powers Android on billions of phones. He also created Git in 2 weeks just to manage the kernel's code.
Jarvis, can you tell me about Apple and Steve Jobs?
On it. Here's what gets me. Apple started in Jobs' parents' lost out his carriage. Yet he was fired from his own company in 1985, only to return 12 years later and build it into the first trillion-dollar company. And he reportedly bathed his feet in toilets, convinced his vegan diet made him odorless.
Jarvis, new project.
On it.
Jarvis, exit.
On it.
Jarvis, clear the board. I think he's still learning a little bit.
Clear the board. That wipes all the time.
Yes.
On it.
Jarvis, exit. Exit.
Exit explore mode. On it. Back to normal, sir.
Jarvis, open my projects.
Open my projects. Let me pull that together, sir.
Jarvis, projects.
Here are your projects.
Jarvis, new project called Purple Dinosaur.
Opening Project Purple Dinosaur.
Okay, Jarvis, Purple Dinosaur
Project
is a
Project.
simple piano calculator.
Fresh campus. What are we building with Purple Dinosaur? Tell me the idea and the vibe you're going for. On it. Love it. I'm going to make a bold, Purple Dinosaur themed calculator with some Dino personality and satisfying button animations.
Taking a long time with this one. Oh, okay. That was worth the wait. That was cool. Jarvis, I changed my mind. I would like it to be green. And he crashed. Well, there you have it, guys.
Your Purple Dinosaur calculator is live, full keyboard support, a Dino that rolls and jumps every time you hit equals, and little round bursts that fly off the screen. What do you want to tweak?
Is that right? He does rolls and shit, does he? 8 minus 6. Okay, Purple Dinosaur. Well, Jarvis, can you actually make it an orange dinosaur rather than purple?
On it. Reading index.html from your Purple Dinosaur project. Reading.project.json. Switching every purple to a fiery orange. Dino's getting a new coat of scales.
Dino. I guess you walk away and come back for this part. Definitely some more feedback is needed when it's actually working. Because, I mean, I wouldn't even know that it's really working at the moment. I mean, I know, but I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't, so... Oh, yeah, it did something. If you saw the cognition layer. Can I make that bigger? I'll show you. Shows like what it actually is doing. So it's using Claude Code right now. Oh, there we go. Oh. Very nice.
Your Dino has gone full orange, fire scales, amber spikes, warm dark background, and glowing orange accents all the way through. Same Shanti personality, brand new color.
Jarvis, that's awesome. Can you give this a full website that looks like a business?
On it. Reading.project.json. Reading your purple dinosaur canvas. Love it. I'm turning Purple Dinosaur into a full professional business website with a bold hero, services, stats, and a contact section, all with that signature Purple Dino brand feel. Now let me get everything showing on the canvas.
Well, that is a nice website. Oh,
The full Purple Dinosaur business website is live. Here's what's on it. A proper hero with an animated Dino mascot and floating particles. A scrolling marquee of services. A 6-card services grid. A portfolio work section. About us with the team grid. Testimonials. Transparent pricing plans. And a working contact form, all in that signature deep purple with glowing accents. The Dino floats. The stats count up on scroll. And cards animated as you scroll down. Want to tweak the copy, swap the color palette, or add anything like a block or booking system?
no.